Welcome to the best of Zoho CRM for everyone. Today, our topic of discussion is requesters. In the last video, we understood that a requester is any external team member outside of our team module who can submit a request to complete a deliverable. Before we get started, let's see how we can add requesters in detail. In the legal team space here, under the Contracts Team module, I will click on the More Actions button. From the Manage User Access, I will click Add User. So let me select a user with the access type as Requester and then click Add. As you can see, the user is added to the Requesters tab. Now, a requester is an external team member outside of your team module who can submit a request to complete a task or a project. You can manage requests by configuring requester settings. Here, you can assign it to a default owner or route using assignment rules. After a request is raised, you have to assign it to a user from your team. For this, you can choose assignment rule and route requests to these users on a round-robin basis. All those who require requester access can be invited using this link or QR code. This option, as you can see here, lets you add users outside of a team module as requesters. Also, all users can raise requests from this team module even if they are not part of the team space where the team module is in. This enables cross-module functionality. From the My Requests tab in the primary sidebar here, the users can manage and track all their cross-functional requests. They can select any module to which they have requester access, click New Request, enter the details, and save. As a requester, they can only raise a request and cannot edit once it is saved. Now let's take an example to understand step by step how requests are raised, managed, and completed. For that, let's take a look at three specific teams: sales, legal, marketing. I will show you each angle for better clarity. To start with, let's say I'm from the sales team. So I'm in the sales team space here, and here's an email from a customer, Kathy, who wants to get an NDA signed. Say I need the legal team's help to get this done. I will instantly click on the connected record from the related list. Next, I will click on the Add New button and select the Contracts module and then fill in the details as required. Now that I'm done, being added as a requester in the legal team's contract module, I was able to see this option here. Now, a connected record is created for the Contracts module owned by legal from this record, who is Kathy. Now let's see this from the legal team's perspective. After switching over to their account, in the Contracts module, I can see a new record. After assessing the NDA, the legal team will update the status. Now let us quickly switch back again to the sales account. Here you can see that I, as a requester, have been notified of the request completion by legal. Now let's take a look at another instance. Say I receive another email from the customer Kathy, but this time she's asking for an existing customer reference. For this, I have to rely on the marketing team. Again, being the requester, I will be able to create a connected record. Let me call it Testimonial, and this will appear in the Reference Request module owned by the marketing team. This request will be reflected in the My Requests tab on the left. Now, if needed, I can also comment here. Like before, let's switch to the marketing team's perspective. After switching to their account, I can see the record in the Reference Requests module. For now, being a part of the marketing team, I will attach the reference or customer testimonial and mark the record in the reference request module as complete. Let us switch back to the sales account here for a second, and you can see that I have been notified of the request completion. Same can be seen in the My Requests tab. And that's how a requester can get required details from different teams by creating records in relevant team modules. In this process, Connected Records instantly establishes a connection between different team modules by linking records. Everyone got just the right information to get the job done with no manual work. That's it for this one. I'll see you on the next episode.